In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Godaddy, ensuring your website content looks polished and professional. First, before diving into the specifics of justifying text, let's take a moment to consider why this might be important for your website. Justifying text aligns both the left and right edges of the text block, creating a more structured and formal appearance. It conveys a sense of reliability, which can be particularly beneficial if your site represents a business or professional service. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Navigate to the homepage and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. If you haven't created your account yet, you'll need to sign up for Godaddy services. Once you're logged in, locate the My Products section on the dashboard. This area lists domains and websites associated with your account. Find the website you want to edit by scrolling through the list and then select the website builder that you're using for your site. This will direct you to the website's design interface. Once you're in the website builder, look for the section labeled Edit Site or something similar, which will bring up the editable layout of your website. Now, navigate to the page containing the text you want to justify. Simply click on it to open the text editor. Within the text editor, you'll notice an array of options for customizing your text. Look for the toolbar that offers different text formatting choices. In this toolbar, you should see options such as bold, italic, underline, and alignment settings. Next, locate the alignment settings. You'll see icons representing different alignment types: left, center, right, and justify. Click on the Justify icon. Once clicked, the paragraph or block of text you selected will immediately adjust to have a justified alignment, creating clean, even margins on both sides of the text block. Preview your changes to ensure it looks just right. It's worth mentioning that while justified text can look neat, it may not always be the best choice for every web page or screen size. Watch out for rivers of white, where spaces between words align vertically in blocks of text, as these can affect readability. Consider your overall website design and audience when deciding where and when to use justified text. After adjusting the text to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save or Publish button, typically located at the top or bottom of the editor page. That way, your newly justified text will appear live on your website. And there you have it. You now know how to successfully justify text in Godaddy. With this skill, you can enhance the presentation of your website and ensure a seamless, organized look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for managing your online presence.